Welcome to Quality Minute Insights. I'm Rick Harrington Jr., CEO of Harrington Group International. Today, in about 2 minutes, we'll explore the return on investment, ROI, of integrating quality management software, QMS, for a manufacturing company and why it's a smart move. Before we get started, please take a moment to hit that subscribe to our channel and like our videos. It helps us deliver you more great content. Now, let's dive into the show. 1. What is the ROI? The ROI for QMS integration in manufacturing can range from 20 to 50%, often realized within 1-3 years. It's calculated with a simple formula. ROI = net gains from investment, cost of investment x 100. Costs might include software fees, say $10,000 to $500,000 annually, plus implementation and training, around $50,000 to $200,000 upfront, and ongoing maintenance. Gains come from savings like reduced rework or fewer defects. For example, a $100,000 investment yielding $150,000 in annual savings gives a 50% ROI. Industry data shows manufacturers investing about 6% of revenue can see an 11% revenue boost in addition to cutting poor quality costs, which often gets to about a net 23% ROI. 2. Key benefits driving ROI. QMS delivers big wins. It automates processes, slashing scrap and rework by 20 to 50%, saving millions in high-volume production. Real-time analytics boost productivity by 10 to 30% and speed up audits from days to hours. Compliance with standards like ISO, DoD, FDA, automotive, medical device, and many others. This can help avoid fines, say up to $100,000 per violation, and cuts nonconformance by 70%, preventing costly recalls. Plus, consistent quality lifts customer retention by 5 to 15% and supports faster product launches. For large firms, integrating with IoT or ERP systems can yield 2 to 5x in returns over 5 years. Last thoughts today on ROI is the considerations of company size and amount manufactured. So in our conclusion, smaller manufacturers might see ROI in 6 to 12 months with cloud-based systems costing $5,000 to $50,000 yearly, focusing on basics. Larger firms invest more but gain 30% plus through supply chain optimization. Challenges like legacy system integration can add 20 to 30% to costs, so choose vendors with manufacturing tools like SPC charts. Start with a pilot to measure results. QMS integration is a high ROI strategy for manufacturers. Learn how HQMS can maximize your returns. Visit harringtongroup.com or call 1-800-ISO 9000 for a demo. Thanks for watching.